As a social media specialist or strategist or social media manager, most days ganito talaga ang ginagawa ko. As you can see, it's just so simple. Ang ginagamit ko lang is yung Excel. Dito, nag-check yung client ko or si boss ng mga postings for next month or next 2 months. So, as you can see, merong mga captions dito. So, caption as a social media strategist, ikaw yung naglalagay ng mga captions sa mga post. Meron din mga graphics, sample graphics. Ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung folder ko for the month of November na merong ito yung tinatawag ng mga carousel post. Meron ding mga reels na ginagawa ko through CapCut. Short reels, meron ding YouTube for long videos. At saka, next schedule din ako ng mga post. If si client, meron siyang ginagamit na mga software like Later.com, parang sa lang nagpo-post through Meta Business Suite. So, sobrang simple lang talaga. Depende yon yung sa gusto ni client. Merong mga graphics at mga videos na sobrang simple lang din ang gusto nila sa kanilang brand. So, kung gusto mo ng ganitong trabaho, meron akong nakitang company na maraming mga virtual assistants din ang naghahanap ng ganitong niche kasi nga madali lang siyang gawin. Parang ka lang nagpo-post ng sarili mo, videos at saka post sa sariling account mo. Ang kagandahan is mapapakita yung creativity mo. Pero, on the other side, sobrang congested na sa ganitong niche kasi nga madali lang talaga siyang gawin kaya marami ding mga virtual assistants ang naghahanap ng ganitong trabaho.
Hello mga hunters! I'm Kath. Welcome back to our channel na kung saan maghahunting tayo at magbibigay ako ng mga ideya where to find side hustle, home-based jobs, ESL jobs, at tips, tools at lahat-lahat na nalalaman ko based on my experience as a VA. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. So for today's video, meron na naman akong nakitang US-based company na nag-hire ng mga talented na mga Filipinos. And mga hunters, don't worry, legit po sila. The company is Wing Assistant. It is a global company providing virtual assistance to businesses. Meron silang from admin, creatives, marketing, tech, customer support, and even engineering. So later, I will show you yung company website nila.
So, this is their website. The good thing about Wing is structured sila. Hindi siya parakit-rakit lang. Full-time, stable, may process, may support, may training, and most importantly, may malinaw na career path. So, they hire talents from different countries. Pero madami talaga silang Filipino VAs because Pinoys are super good in English, communication, and digital work. Now, let's explore sa kanilang job na kagaya ng ginagawa ko as a social media specialist. So, just click yung open positions. So, merong mga countries dito. So, dito tayo sa Philippines. You can also choose full-time or part-time. So, hanapin natin yung social medias. So, now let's talk about social media marketing specialist. So, it was posted November 26, bago lang. So, if nakita nyo itong video nito, apply na kayo agad. Here, merong duties and responsibilities but are not limited to. So, ito yung mga dapat mo gawin. Content creation, i-summarize ko na lang. Content creation, caption writing, social media strategy, posting and scheduling, engagement, analytics reporting, campaign tracking, creativity, and trends. Basically, kung ano yung pinakita ko kanina sa start ng video, yun yung talaga yung trabaho mo. Pero syempre, as a specialist, mas structured, mas may strategy, mas may reporting. So, kailangan mo marunong mag-Canva, video editing kahit basic lang. Kasi nga, most of the businesses, hindi naman talaga ganun like super na complicated na editing. Gusto nila yung basic lang kasi gusto nilang mas madaling maintindihan ng kanilang mga audience or target market. Copywriting, and you must know how to read insights para alam mo effective ba yung content. Like sa akin, ginagawa ko monthly, end of the month, gumagawa ako ng social media audit through sa analytics. Meron sa Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, sa LinkedIn para makikita mo kung anong post or what time pinost or anong content ang maraming views, maraming engagement. So, yon makikita mo if effective yung ginagawa mong content. So, dito naman sa qualifications, dapat strong communication skills, experience in social media marketing or management, familiar with platforms like Meta. So, yun kasi yung common. Kailangan din TikTok, LinkedIn, at saka YouTube. You should have creative mindset, organized and detail-oriented, willing to work US hours. Depende sa account. So, I think US hours to. Dapat proficient ka din sa Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Sketch, InDesign, and other graphic design software. So, yun yung hinahanap nila. Meron din silang layouts, typography, print, and a web design. So, 2 years yung hinahanap nila na experience sa social media or 1 to 2 years in digital marketing. So, itong sa post nito is graveyard shift. So, yon. Pero depende yon sa magiging transaction ninyo ni client. Like sa akin, based on my experience, graveyard shift yung post, pero okay lang si client na flexible, like morning ko siya gagawin. So, malay natin, dito sa job na to, pwedeng ganun din yung mangyayari sa inyo. Now, these are the technical requirements. Talagang importante ito. Working webcam during meetings, kailangan yan. Noise cancellation na headset. Dapat computer. Siyempre, mahirap naman if cellphone gagawin yung trabaho mo. Meron specific na requirements sa computer. And main internet service at least 25 Mbps. Kasi nga, you will do editing, designing. Kailangan malakas yung internet mo para mas madaling magagawa yung trabaho mo. And then, kailangan din may backup. Kasi nga, dito sa Pilipinas, lagi tayong binabagyo, kailangan na merong backup in case na walang kuryente, at least, or nagloko yung isang provider ninyo, meron kang backup na internet. Meron din silang specific na requirements, like mga tools na dapat alam mo. Ito yun, baka ito yung ginagamit ni client. So, ganon. Meron dito, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, Canva and Photoshop. So, here are their benefits. Ang kagandahan dito kay Wing, marami silang benefits. Like health insurance, walang ganito sa ibang company. Personal kang kukuha ng HMO, pero sa kanila, meron silang ino-offer na HMO. Another is performance incentive, job security, and stability. Meaning, hindi siya pangayon lang, pang long term talaga yung client na minamatch nila sa iyo. Paid training, so yun ang kagandahan, like sa first or 2 weeks na training, sumisweldo ka pa rin. Inclusive culture, upskilling opportunities, so 100% work from home, yun yung hinahanap talaga natin. Meron supportive team, opportunities for career growth, fun work environment, and holidays and overtime pay. Ito din yung isa sa kagandahan sa company ito kasi meron silang holiday and overtime pay. Kasi gusto din natin na mag-rest. Meron tayong rest if holiday sa kanila. So the scheduled hours is US 20 to 40 hours per week. Okay, so I know this is the best part, yung hinahanap talaga ninyo is yung salary range. So, the possible range is 50,000 to 70,000 a month. Yes, Wing is known for competitive pay for Filipino talent. Plus, hindi ito project-based. Stable talaga. Merong stability sa job na ito. Now, if you are interested to apply, just click apply now. Let's see kung ano yung makikita natin. Ilalagay nyo lang yung resume or CV ninyo. And then full name, email, phone number, your location, current company if you're working with another company, and then your LinkedIn profile. Kaya dapat naka-optimize din yung profile ninyo. kasi they will check din doon. Who referred you this? You can put my social media account, yung YouTube account, website, blog, or portfolio if meron kayo, and then your desired company. Earliest start date, syempre gusto natin immediately. Can you work weekends? Yes or no, depende na yun sa inyo. What experience level? Meron dito. Other na lang kasi walang YouTube. And then, currently employed. If you're currently employed, what is your notice period? Okay, dito, no. During what time can you work? And then, may mga other questions. Okay, sagutan nyo lang ito. You also need your speed test. So, i-click nyo lang, copy nyo lang to. And then, lalabas yung speed test ninyo. And then, yung screenshot of your backup. And then, specs ng computer ninyo. And then, your introduction, additional information, and then submit. So, you wait. Once you submit this one, wait na lang kayo ng email na nakapasa kayo sa first stage. And then, after that will be the interview.
For me, social media marketing is really one of those flexible and creative work from home jobs. I myself, as a social media specialist, I find na maganda talaga yung job na ito kasi you can choose morning in your morning or day shift. Kasi nga, you will do editing, caption, ganon. So, mostly sa mga clients ko is morning. Madalang lang na panggabi yung work as a social media specialist. At napapahayag ko din yung creativity ko. So, if you want this job, apply na sa, ay lalagay ko din yung link sa description box or sa pinned comment. And if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated. Also, follow our Facebook page at saka TikTok account for more hiring tips at saka updates. Thank you for always watching!